Okay.
Amazing. Yeah.
Hey people, what's up?
I'm Zoe.
I'm Morgan, and this is.
Krishan, hey, I'm back.
And this time we are not gonna be reacting to funny videos.
No, this time we are going to be having a discussion.
Yes.
So today we are going to be breaking all the bad stereotypes that have been given to Indians.
And
He's just shaking his
yes,
head.
he doesn't approve.
Man.
It's
It's
bad.
bad.
Let's get right into the video.
Excuse me, this is so bad. Most Indians are poor but happy.
That's not true. There are poor Indians who are happy. There are poor Indians who are unhappy. There are rich Indians who are happy, and there are rich Indians who are unhappy.
Unhappy. Like
And then there's the
any
middle
other.
class as well.
So you can call them poor if they cannot afford a car. Hello. So we have BST buses. The seats are bad, but it's okay. And the conductors are looters. But hello. We are not poor. I'm not poor. I'm not taking this title. Hello. I'm anything but poor. So yes,
He's like
there's
taking-
that. And we are not poor. Excuse me. Ambani, Tatas, Birlas, कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में. Not poor. Unhappy? I don't care. But definitely not poor.
I think Krushan has basically said it all, so we're good there.
Yeah, we're good.
We can go to the next one.
You know what? I think Roshan's gonna do the speaking for us.
Yes,
Yeah.
because focus
Take it
on
away.
me.
Yeah, focus on.
Focus on me.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to the next one. That Indians speak fluent Hindu and heavily accented English. Indians don't speak Hindu. One of the Indian languages is Hindi.
No, actually, you know what? Indians speak Hindu. And
Or Saudi mein they speak Muslim. Like let's do that. Let's do that.
I speak Buddhist. He speaks
Jain,
Jain.
the minority.
I speak Hindu as well.
Oh, you speak Hindu as well.
Another thing to mention is we all have different kinds of way of speaking English.
Actually, most people don't know this about India, but we're completely diverse. We have a lot of languages in India,
Hindi, Tamil, Urdu.
and because of which there are completely different accents. I don't even understand what really accented means because every other way of speaking in English is accented, right?
To be honest, like I've spoken English my whole life. That's the one language I'm fluent in. So
That is the
clearly,
only
it's
language,
the only
yeah.
language I'm fluent in. Okay, I know
So-
little bits about it.
And also, yeah, we have people like that in India as well.
By the way, मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता जब Australians बोलते तब तो कोई बोलता है oh accent.
I mean, they do call it an Australian accent.
Oh they do.
Yeah, they
Oh
do.
wow, poopet हो गया मेरा. I was trying to make a point, but ठीक है वो पोपट हो गया. And my favorite vegetable is green lettuce. So stop saying that.
Lettuce.
I eat salad and I don't have an accent. So please stop it.
All Indians are it.
IT.
I was like, wow, we are it. I'm like, oh, that's not.
We are the it. Yeah, we are Pennywise, by the way, singing
Like,
and
we are-
dancing
we are-
clowns. Oh
Like,
yeah.
we're the it crowd is what I was thinking. But all Indians are
Actually,
IT
we are.
experts.
I mean, we are.
I wish, but honestly, no.
No.
Like we are in the creative industry. IT.
Never happened. I'm pretty sure a lot of IT people come from India, but I
It's
don't
not
think that's
all
the
of
major
us.
chunk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Indians can do anything, everything. There are Indians in all the fields.
I know.
We are the best.
India is the best.
The bad Indian cuisine is all about butter chicken or some spicy curry tikka. Vegetarian. From Gujarat. This is horrendous. It is not just butter chicken.
Also,
ઢોકળા, ગાંઠિયા, ફાફડા, પાત્રા, સેવ ટમેટાનું શાક, કચોરી.
dosa, the South Indian
The
stuff.
South Indian stuff.
Yes.
Bendaka, which is bindi, which is lady's finger, my favorite vegetable.
So, yeah,
Agarkai. starting to name all the like.
Bangan ka bharta,
Bangan ka
parathas,
paratha,
rotis.
Chapati.
Yes, and they're not breads.
and aloo ka paratha,
Oh
gobi.
my god, aloo ka paratha is yum. फिर छोले भटूरे, राजमा चावल,
Kebab.
कढ़ी,
Oh, rajma chawal.
दाल.
Okay, guys.
Anyway, you get it. It's not just butter chicken. Also,
It's not just butter.
if it was just butter chicken, we would all just be constipated.
Point made.
Life is all about singing and dancing in India. We sing, he dances,
Oh my god, is this stereotype true?
but no, it is not.
No, but I think it is true. I think because our society like functions in a way कि जहाँ पे from like songs for everything, like for childbirth, for death, and we are musical before our all this Ganesh Chaturthi, music and dancing, Holi, like music and dancing.
Our culture has a lot of like music and dance and all of that stuff as well, but life isn't just about that.
Yeah.
सोचते हैं कि like Bollywood में मैं मतलब जैसे सब्जी लेने गया और वहाँ से थक के I'm like going to have chaat and then suddenly like I'm like खा के मेरे को तीखा लगा I'm like oh my god उड़ गया मेरे को तीखा लगा नहीं like तुझे तीखा लगा तो मैं क्या करूँ तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो that doesn't happen. All the marriages are arranged by the Indian parents. This is like what 60% true?
No.
It's 60%.
60% I think it's true. It's
Like
still
this arranged
like in the
marriage
remote places, like
in the
small
remote
towns, villages.
Basically-
There's still
Split. There are people with the mindset that marriage is so important and like it has to be arranged and the parents take control and they want their kids to get married. But then there is a whole other section where it's like you can get married if you want, you can get married to whoever you want, from whichever caste you want, whatever age you want, and it's just
It's
split.
not necessarily true, but nonetheless, yeah, there are a lot of arranged marriages in India. Does not mean that all marriages are arranged.
Yeah. There's also the dating apps.
Yes.
oh yeah, they are the best. Oh my god, they are the best.
There are marriage apps as well.
No, dating apps are the best.
Okay, the in her is coming out.
Coming out
Let's
because
see.
Tinder, please sponsor us.
and Grindr. जब मेरा YouTube channel होगा तब I need to get laid.
Maybe by the time.
Sex, alcohol and glitter. I think ये constant रहेगा ना मेरी life में. I think 90% of my problem will be solved.
Okay, next
Okay.
one. All Indians are good at yoga. I wish I was that flexible. I can't even touch my toes.
I am flexible but not in yoga.
I love that. I loved it.
Oh god, what have we done to our
Because-
channel?
I am flexible in dancing, I meant.
That's also what I thought of your dirty mind.
Exactly.
Wow. You guys
Gun.
comment down below what you thought.
So when I try to be flexible, it's like I have an appointment with a chiropractor and things just like ऐसा लगता है कि किसी ने लड़ियाँ तोड़ दी हो दिवाली में. लड़ियाँ means that red thing, no? ऐसे करके the burn and
Pataka.
patak. So when I get up in the morning and I'm like, oh yes, and then so yeah, so I think I will get back to my routine where I used to be flexible. But then I used to do full split.
What? That's my dream.
My mangina was ruined one day. That is not true. Not all Indians are into yoga because we eat a lot.
That Indians will automatically be vegetarians because they worship the cow. All these stereotypes are really like offensive. It's so offensive. I don't know why. No, they're not just offensive. They're like dumb. It's so dumb.
Ignorance.
Some people are vegetarian because they're born into a family that believe in that. Some people are out of... Oh, I'm gonna sneeze.
Khamma kar Mari.
Some they are vegetarians because they personally want that for themselves. I'm gonna sneeze again. And some people are non-vegetarians. Like I'm non-vegetarian, he's vegetarian. He's non-vegetarian but doesn't eat red meat.
Not because of religion or anything. I just don't eat red meat because I don't like the taste.
I am a vegetarian
And
because I love animals and it's for
Yeah,
our
and not-
choice and not like
Some
Because
people
because
do.
of the religion ki like oh my god like ये पाप है. I'm like अगर गाय माता है तो भैंस को मासी बना दो.
People do worship cows as well. But people eat beef as well and people
Yeah,
don't.
there are people who eat beef as well.
India में we don't just worship cows, we worship snakes. Hello, Mahashivratri.
We worship fire.
I don't
Most
understand
ironically,
that.
we worship humans as well.
India is the land of snake charmers.
Ayya, you're Ram.
I mean, seriously.
I have never even seen a snake charmer.
Yeah, it's illegal now.
Indians are uneducated.
Master's degrees.
BA honors degree.
There's more of rural areas in India. Does not mean that all of us are uneducated, and also education is actually sort of rising in India.
There are obviously a part of the population that is uneducated, but at the same time, I think everyone's starting to take education
Education is
seriously.
as well.
Cows roam the roads.
It's true. Cows do roam the
Yeah.
road. Not just cows.
Exactly, like cows, goats, dogs,
Chickens.
buffaloes.
However, cows are not a means of transport. A friend of mine was asked if she went to school riding cows. I mean, we do not ride cows, no. We do not ride elephants or any other animals to school. We go in cars, buses, trains, bikes, autos.
Like whoever asks this question to your friend is stupid because guy पे बैठ के कौन सा- First of all, she's very slow. She's not like a dog. She cannot be trained. The cows are like free willy. Hey, oh, East Road पे school है. Like you, I'll take you to the mall. We only ride horses
Prashant writes other things.
to the sunset.
If your name is Mehtar, you must be a sweeper. On to the next.
Indian women all wear saris.
Do I look like I'm wearing a sari right now? It
That's
takes me an
difficult.
hour to put on a sari and I've only done it like 3 times in my life.
I can wear a sari in 15 minutes.
And he is breaking other stereotypes right now.
Oh yeah, different video. Indian weddings are big and loud.
Mostly.
Mostly, yes, mostly.
And obviously there are the
Silent ones.
exceptions who have small weddings as well. So it
Yeah, like in India, weddings are like far. They are loud and silent also. And some of them are very deadly. Like people get killed.
The moral of the story is India is exceptional, it is different, and it is also very similar to every other country in the world.
Yeah. What's coming out of this is the fact that every other country have specific stuff that's found in the country, but it's not their defining factor. What defines them is the beauty.
The location has to offer, the people has to offer, the culture, the tradition has to offer. And India is like amazing. Hello. They're so
Yeah.
culturally rich
And
and
so diverse. So diverse.
yeah, like look at us.
Look at us. So
That's so true! Alright, thank you so much for watching. You know what to do right now. You need to go
like the video,
Subscribe.
and also share this video with anyone who you think is
Human being.
and maybe anyone who just probably needs to watch this
some
and learn a little
education about Indian
Stereotypes.
ways.
and ways.
Thanks a lot for watching.
I am Zoe.
Okay, well, you know that. Okay, sorry. Focus on me. Zoe, Urgen, whatever. I'm Prashant. Bye! Oh my god, stop it!
I'm hungry after talking about all the Indian food.